and setdays are basically model sheet of the characters, and it's production material that animators have and they can use to make the animation. So how you can do that is first you can go on Sakugaboro and type setday, and also you can put also the name of the anime that you're looking for, and you will have the most recent setday that came out. Usually people put them on Sakugaboro. There is a lot of stuff. Don't know what's that. Alright, so you can get your setday on Sakugaboro. Something else that you can do is search for the name of the anime and setday on Twitter. This works okay, but it's not the best. On Twitter, I would say it's better to just try to find some Japanese animator, and sometimes some of them will upload some setday, but they don't really put it like in the name of the post, setday of the anime. It's hard to find like that way. It's better to just follow them. Something else that you can do is simply Google it with the name in Japanese of the anime and setday, and that's what I did for this anime, and it's really hard to find it any other way, so don't hesitate to translate it in Japanese. So here you have the website that I found thanks to Google Image, and you can also type it in English. But in English here you see that I can't really find the same website. The website that I found in Japanese was from this image and this one, but in English you can't find it. Alright. The last tips I have is SetDaydream, which is like a database of art books and document from some production material. You can sort them by year, and you'll get a lot of different information about the production. So here we have Tanjiro, all the information how you draw him, and also on the setdays you can find I think you can find some information about the backgrounds. Yep. So if you're into backgrounds, you can take a look at that. Yeah. So SetDaydream is probably, if you have one of the anime that you want to study on SetDaydreams, you're really lucky because you will have a lot of information. So that's what you can simply find online. Something else that you can do is go to Japan and buy books, but it's not really possible at the time, so you will have to do that. And yeah, I hope that was helpful. And I will do another video where I explain how you can use the setdays to train and get and try to progress on your art with the setday, that are really a powerful tool for learning how to draw. Alright, see you later.